Hello and welcome back to See Natural DIY. My name is Sylvia. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to make this natural shampoo bar. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So to get started, I'm going to start adding my powders in a bowl. I have about 4 powders I'm using for this shampoo bar. The first I added was my neem powder. Then the next powder I'm going to add is my brimraj powder. For my powders, I added a teaspoon each of this powder. And the next is my brahmi powder. So after I'm adding my brahmi powder, the next powder I used is my fenugreek seed powder. And all those powders I use are very beneficial when it comes to natural hair. And so I'm going to mix it to combine the powders together. Then followed by my liquid. I'm using freshly boiled water, and after allowing my water to cool down, then I'm using it for this. You can also use distilled water. So at this point I'm adding my water to these powders, and I'm going to mix very well to combine it. For the total water I use about 10 grams of water. That's 10 mils of water. That's what I use here, and because of that's the consistency I want. If you want your consistency watering or thicker, you can reduce the water quantity. So I keep adding to get the consistency I want. So I love this particular consistency I got, and this is how I want it. So the next step is to cut my transparent knot and pore soap. I have below this video, I will drop the link on how to make this transparent knot and pore soap. So after cutting it in 2 pieces, I'm going to add it in my glass jar. And over a double boiler, I'm going to melt the soap. So at this point, after melting it, I'm going to gradually add it to the powders we mixed earlier. It's kind of hot here, so I'm being careful. So I'm trying to combine it to mix it very well, and I'm going to add the remaining one. So after adding it, the next I'm adding is my oil. I just added my avocado oil. I'll also drop the link on how to make avocado oil at home below this video, so you can click on the link below to watch the tutorial. So also remember, for this tutorial you can decide what ingredients you want to use for your shampoo bar, and I just added avocado oil. You can also decide not to add oil to it. So the next I'm using is with my silicone soap mold. I'm going to pour in my mixture. You can decide to add essential oil if you want a fragrance for this You can use essential oils or any fragrance oil. Here I decided to add my vanilla essential oil, just 3 drops. Next is to pour it in my silicone soap mold. After pouring it in my soap mold, I'm going to leave it to stay for 6 hours. After 6 hours, guys, this is what our natural shampoo bar looks like. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, share my videos and comment. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.